Hello everyone, and happy Halloween. Even in a fun place like Hollister Hills, SVRA, it isn't uncommon for a myth or a legend to be rumored about. You heard the tall tale of tree curses last year, but this tale is sure to shake you to your core. If you came to hear a ghost story, be wary and heed this tale's warning. It could save you from an encounter with the ghost lion. One night, a rider reported to the park rangers that they were exploring on their dirt bike long after park hours. The night was cool and the trail was illuminated by a single headlight. The rider came speeding around a corner and had to brake hard, for what they saw was certainly unexpected. A white silhouette in the shape of a mountain lion with bright green eyes stared them down in the middle of the trail, and it stood its ground as the rider approached. Already taken by surprise, the rider veered off the trail and fell from their bike. It only took a moment to recover and shine their headlight where the figurehead stood, but the big cat had already vanished, nowhere to be seen. They couldn't believe what just happened, and before they could collect any evidence of their find, a ghostly shriek was let out nearby. The rider was shaking from fear when they fumbled onto their bike and rode back the way they came. They told any ear that would listen about their encounter with the ghost lion, warning all the riders of Hollister Hills not to ride the trails at night. Over the years, the rumors of the ghost spread and got exaggerated from person to person. There are some visitors who believe the ghost lion originated from an old riding accident before the park was established. This mountain lion met its tragic end, and now its spirit haunts riders who ignore the park rule of staying off the trails at night. Others say it's a protector of the local wildlife that awake at nightfall. Some campers that have ventured off into the moonlit trails have even heard scratching on nearby trees, distant shrieks, and large paw prints on the trail's soil. There's no telling if the ghost lion really exists. The thing about rumors is there's not much to say if the story is true or not. But if I were you, I'd listen to the moral of the story. Don't ride the trails at night, or fall victim to the unseen dangers. Night riders beware. Stay safe and have a happy Halloween.